So she'll be now spar with our fighter Vince, who will going to fight tomorrow. Go attack. Yeah. 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 Go. Attack. Buddy. Yeah, get in, go, get in. Yeah, that's it. Long arm defense. Yeah, go. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Yeah. Go. Yeah. You have to utilize your jab, cross, uppercut. Yeah. Jab, cross, uppercut. Yeah. Last minute. Yeah. Yeah. Last 40 seconds. Come on, work. Jab, cross, uppercut. I want to see the side kick now. Go. Uppercut. Yeah, uppercut. No. Knee. No. Knee. Stop. Okay. Nice par. Yeah.